Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Instagram has introduced new features aimed at helping users delete posts, comments, and other platform activity easily. The features has been rolled out as part of the Safer Day initiative. You can access these features in a section called Your Activity. Instagram users can now bulk delete or archive their content like posts, stories, IGTV, and Reels. They can also do the same with their comments, likes, story, sticker reactions, etc. made on the platform, all from one place. To know how to delete or archive multiple Instagram posts at once, you can follow this video. First, open Instagram app on your Android smartphone. Second, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on your activity. Then tap on the second option here or tap archive. You will be able to see all your posts here. You can sort the posts as your convenience through the sort and filter option. Tap on select option at the top right corner. Then tap on the post that you want to delete or archive. Once you have selected the desired post, tap on the archive or delete options. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.